In today's video, I will walk you through how to change chart types in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend and open the main interface. From there, select the stock you want to check. In this example, choose AMC. Once the stock page is open, focus on the chart area for that stock. On the right side of the screen, locate the three dots icon. Click on it to open additional options. From the menu that appears, select Chart Types. This will open the available chart display options for the selected stock. Inside the Chart Types section, you will see different chart style options. Click on the chart type you want to apply. The chart will update immediately based on your selection. You can repeat the same action to switch between different chart styles and compare how each one looks on the same stock. Once you select a chart type, it will remain applied to the current stock view until you change it again. If you want to adjust the view for another stock, go back to the stock selection and repeat the same process. Select another stock if needed, open its chart, click the three dots on the right side again, and go into Chart Types. Then choose a different option from the list to update the display for that stock. Each stock can have its own chart type selected individually, so you can switch between them depending on what you want to view. After choosing your preferred chart type, the updated chart will stay visible on the screen for analysis. To change it again, return to the three dots menu and select Chart Types once more. From there, pick a different option and the chart will instantly update to reflect your new selection. Once you have finished adjusting the chart types, you can continue viewing the updated stock charts with the selected display style applied.